Hi guys, so this is the continuation. So start na natin guys. If you see pound signs in a cell, it means that the column is not wide enough to display the cell content. Simply increase the column width to show the cell content. To modify the row height, position the cursor over the row line you want to modify and a double arrow will appear. Left-click the mouse, then drag the cursor upward to decrease the row height or downward to increase the row height. Release the mouse button or click the Format command in the Cells group on the Home tab. A menu will appear. Select row height to enter a specific row measurement. Select Auto Fit Row Height to adjust the row so all of the text will fit. To insert rows, select the row below where you want the new row to appear. Click the Insert command in the Cells group on the Home tab. The row will appear. The new row always appears above the selected row. Make sure you select the entire row below where you want the new row to appear and not just the cell. If you select just the cell and then click Insert, only a new cell will appear. To insert columns, select the column to the right of where you want the column to appear. Click the Insert command in the Cells group on the Home tab. The column will appear. The new column always appears to the left of the selected column. For example, if you want to insert a column between September and October, select the October column and then click the Insert command. Make sure you select the entire column to the right of where you want the new column to appear and not just the cell. If you select just the cell and then click Insert, only a new cell will appear. To delete rows and columns, select the row or column you'd like to delete. Click the Delete command in the Cells group on the Home tab. Formatting text. Once you have entered information into a spreadsheet, you will need to be able to format it. In this lesson, you will learn how to use the bold, italic, and underline commands. Modify the font style, size, and color, and apply borders and fill colors. To format text in bold or italics, left-click a cell to select it or drag your cursor over the text in the formula bar to select it. Click the bold or italics command. You can select entire columns and rows or specific cells. To select the entire column, just left-click the column heading and the entire column will appear as selected. To select specific cells, just click a cell and drag your mouse to select the other cells, then release the mouse button. To format text as underlined, select the cell or cells you want to format. Click the drop-down arrow next to the underline command. Select the single underline or double underline option. To change the font style, select the cell or cells you want to format. Left-click the drop-down arrow next to the font style box on the Home tab. Select the font style from the list. As you move over the font list, the live preview feature previews the font for you in the spreadsheet. To change the font size, select the cell or cells you want to format. Left-click the drop-down arrow next to the font size box on the Home tab. Select the font size from the list. To change the text color, select the cell or cells you want to format. Left-click the drop-down arrow next to the text color command. A color palette will appear. Select the color from the palette or select more colors. A dialog box will appear. Select the color, click OK. To add a border, select the cell or cells you want to format. Click the drop-down arrow next to the Borders command on the Home tab. A menu will appear with border options. Left-click an option from the list to select it. You can change the line style and color of the border. To add a fill color, select the cell or cells you want to format. Click the Fill command, a color palette will appear. select a color. So, yun lang muna for now guys. Bye!